Hey Porsche fans, it's DelMazzio of Porsche Greenwich, and I'm here to do a quick little tutorial. And I first need to shout out JSH9111 and RK9058 because they were bold enough to make a comment down below in other video and help teach me about a feature that I didn't know existed. So what is it and why am I doing this video? Well, first off, on the new 992.2s, Carrera, basically base Carrera, Carrera S, GTSs, Targas, anything that is the .2 generation, so this excludes GT3 RS and Turbo S for model year 25 and older. You might have noticed that when you put the car on, first and foremost, and if you like to go to sport mode, like most people, right, you will notice that when you start driving, in a parking lot by the way, and then you come to a stop, the engine shuts off now. So auto start stop is now off in sport mode, and this is infuriating a lot of people. Well, here's what you can do. Just simply turn it off here, but wait, go ahead and check this box. When you check this box, from now on, every time you are in sport mode and you drive and come to a stop, the engine no longer turns off. So there you go. No need to get upset anymore. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much to my community that comments and leaves good tips and tricks down below. I love the feedback. That's what I'm hoping to create here on the Hey Porsche Fans channel here. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll also leave playlists of my other Porsche videos, so I'd love to see you back on the channel. I hope this video helped you. Let me know if you didn't know that check mark was there. I don't know how I missed it, but anyway, I did. I missed it. And luckily, I had a few, actually more than just two of you, but two in particular commented. So shout out to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.